Just one tiny taste. I was, checking if it smells delicious.
Oh no! How did we get ourselves into this? Today is a very special day. We're making yummy jollof rice for Grandma.
Oh, that sounds wonderful, my little chef.
Oh dear. What's wrong, Grandma?
We've run out of all our jollof ingredients.
No tomatoes? No onions? No rice? How will my poor tummy survive this terrible day?
I've got it. Let's all go to the market together.
Yes!
I love the market.
I'll help remember everything we need.
Come with us. Let's find everything we need to cook the tastiest jollof rice ever. What did you forget?
This market smells amazing!
Stay with the team, Captain Ember. We have an important shopping mission. First on our shopping list, little chefs, can you help us find the bright red tomatoes? There they are! Wait, those are red apples. They're yummy too, but today we need tomatoes for our jollof rice.
Oh, let's find the tomatoes together.
Yeah! Little chefs, we need your help. Can you help us find these ingredients?
2 onions.
I found them!
Great job, Leela.
Next. Now we need 1 bright green bell pepper. Can you spot it?
I found it!
That's a cucumber, Captain Ember.
Wrong green.
There it is! Excellent teamwork!
I'm getting better already.
We're almost ready to cook our delicious jollof rice.
We've got the tomatoes, onions, and the green bell pepper. Oh! We still need 1 bag of rice.
The most important ingredient.
Little chefs, can you help us find the rice?
There it is!
Yay! Thank you.
I'll carry it.
Working together makes every job easier.
We found every single ingredient.
Wonderful shopping, everyone. Now remember, we always wash our vegetables before we cook.
Little chefs, let's wash our hands too.
I think my paws are extra clean now.
I've been waiting for this moment all day. Before we eat, let's say thank you for the food and our family. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
This is the tastiest jollof rice ever.
I'm so glad we worked together.
When everyone helps, every meal tastes even better.
I was only, making sure the pot was nice and clean.
I think someone still has room for dessert.
Dessert? Little chefs, thank you for helping us find all the ingredients and cook our delicious jollof rice today.
Did you have fun? Because
I sure did. If you enjoyed today's adventure, ask a grown-up to subscribe to Zuri's Learning World so you never miss our next fun adventure.